All right. It is Wednesday, June 10th, 2020 at 10:44 p.m. All right, had a big day, did a lot of errands, went to a birthday party, so have enough energy to gather all my wits and make a video. All right. Here we go. National Hurricane Center has a disturbance 1 with 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours above South America outside the Greater Antilles. It says a well-defined tropical wave is about 425 miles east of the Windward Islands, producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms, although further development is not expected due to dry air and adverse upper-level winds. Some areas of heavy rain and gusty winds are possible across portions of the Windward Islands on Thursday and Thursday night, while the waves move westward at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Formation chance in 48 hours is low at 10%, and formation chance through 5 days is low at 10%. So it's a low possibility chance of development, but it is something to keep an eye on and watch. Let's take a look quickly here at the Eastern Pacific. We have no tropical cyclone activity expected in the next 48 hours in the Eastern Pacific, and the Central Pacific by Hawaii, no tropical cyclone activity expected. Alright, let's take a look at this disturbance. It's here right above South America, just slowly building. Let's see if we can zoom in, get a better view of it. So there's the small gathering of storms there, starting to slowly build in the area is a disturbance. Alright, let's take a look here. Space River News. We have a line of severe thunderstorms with downpours and damaging winds continue to plow eastward across western Pennsylvania at this hour. Track the storms on radar. So we got some storms for Pennsylvania. Also, we have from Tarastralis. Does anyone know who cleans the windows in the International Space Station? Let's take a look at the picture here. Look at that view from the International Space Station. That's beautiful. Man, just to be out there in space and take a look down upon Earth would be beautiful. Totally magnificent. Alright, also we have severe thunderstorm warnings for Erie, Pennsylvania, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Corey, Pennsylvania until 11:15 p.m. EDT time. Severe thunderstorm warning. Alright. Let's see. We have coronavirus live news. U.S. cases near 2 million as Mexico confirms record daily infections. Yeah, Mexico still hasn't had the peak coronavirus yet, since they got it later. South America got it later than we did. Alright, and here it is, me posting eating the last bit of watermelon and trying to be inspired enough to make a new YouTube video. Yeah. Alright, also here's who's feeling comfortable today. Who's feeling the comfy weather between 65 and 85 degrees. Everybody here in Portland, Billings, Omaha, St. Louis. Alright. And here we have heat bills across central and southern high plains this weekend into the middle of next week. High temperatures top out between 95 and 100 degrees, which is 10 to 15 degrees above normal. High temperatures in the southwest top 100 degrees, but this is closer to normal. So we have some high temperatures starting to build up in the Midwest and the South. Alright, guys. Also, we have not a good sign in Michigan. I-75 saw some flooding and storms drift through the state in Michigan earlier today. So a lot of storms going on. And then some beautiful pictures by meteorologist Johnny Parker. So it has a couple of cloud pictures. Let's take a look at them. Look at that. That's beautiful. There's like a ray of sunshine just going through the clouds. Alright, let's take a look here at Mike's weather page. We have the disturbance 1 with 10% chance of cyclone formation, and it'll be moving westward. Alright. And then we have the National Weather Center Weather Service map. We have some severe thunderstorm watch for western New York and Buffalo, western Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and parts of Ohio. And then we have severe thunderstorm warning and special maritime warning. Uh, I guess just severe thunderstorm warning for northern and northeastern Nevada, and high wind watch for western Nevada. Alright, guys, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. We have slight to marginal weather in Pennsylvania and parts of Ohio. So we have enhanced Youngstown, Ohio, Warren, Ohio, Broadman, Ohio, Austintown, Ohio, and Wheeling, West Virginia. And then we have slight weather at Cleveland, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Buffalo, New York, Rochester, New York, and Akron, Ohio. Alright, so we have plenty of severe weather in this part of the country, the northeastern side of the country. Then we have the Saharan dust layer, which is basically protecting us from hurricanes and storms. It's just basically heading over the Atlantic, heading towards South America and the Caribbean area. Once the dust layer comes out, it pretty much keeps hurricanes or storms from forming, so that's a good sign. Let's take a look here at the Western Atlantic. You see some storms popping off the African coast, but not that many, and it's way south. So if the storms were coming off more the northern part of Africa, then I'd be more worried, because that means that it could head out into the Caribbean or into the United States. But if the storms are low enough, they'll stay to the lower side and hit South America, if anything. But I don't think it's going to build into anything right now. It's just bubbling off some storms. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more, and see you guys next time. God bless.